Yo, it's your boy Swizzle and I am back with another video, and as you can tell from the title, I will be doing a no burping challenge. And you know, that means I'm gonna be having a 2 liter like moi, and I have to drink it off without burping. And if I drink it off without burping, I win, but if I burp, I lose. But before we get to this video, I have a little thing to talk about with y'all. Yesterday was my birthday, so now I'm 17 years old now. I got my first tattoo, my mom's name. And like, y'all didn't give me no gift. So I feel like the best gift that y'all can give me is to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. And tell a friend to tell a friend, cause we growing big and we on our way to 100 subscribers, you feel me? So, just lit. Let's get into the video though. So, man versus soda, man versus bottle of soda. This is gonna be lit. I hope my stomach don't hurt. I really do. I don't even got no ice. Wish me luck. Slow and steady wins the race, right? So I'm gonna take my time, hopefully. Alright, so this is how much I got right now. First sip. It's really going down slow. I'm not gonna lie to you. I think I should have burped before the video. I'm making leeway. You probably can't see it, but like, you see, I'm got this much. And like the soda is pretty warm too. Like, I should have had it in the refrigerator. I was just making sure nobody try to drink it. It's too much sugar. I feel like I'm about to burp soon. Hope not. Let me talk to y'all. How was y'all day going so far? Put it down in the comments below. And if you didn't subscribe in the beginning of the video, this is the best time to do it. So, you can do that too. Shoot, this really hurt in my stomach. Just in case I gotta spit something out. Darn. I can't even burp chopping my stomach stop hurt. Whew. Oh snaps, this is hurting. Oh, don't do it, don't burp, don't burp. Oh, it's right there. Damn, I got burp. I did. Wait, no. But this don't hurt. Don't try this at home. Excuse me, I'm sorry. I didn't even make it halfway down. And like, I still hurt. But if you think that you can If you think you can do this challenge and, you know, put up on Instagram or whatever, make sure, you know, add me, tag me in it. And I challenge the Real Breezie TV, aka Miss D. I challenge you to the no burping challenge. I think you should take me upon my offer because I don't think you're gonna win. I think I probably did more than you. I'm pretty proud on where I got to. Let me show y'all where I got to. Y'all probably, it's a little tilted, but like I got a little far-ish. But you guys. Oh snap. This is the end of the video. So before we leave, before we part our ways, y'all gotta do me one favor. Well, 3. Like, comment, and subscribe if you're new to the channel, cause it's your boy Swizzo, and I'm out of here. You did? Well, not you did. That's this shit froze. You feel me? On game. And it's funny, Mike. I'm out.